Hey traders, Mark here. Today is Tuesday, December 19th. Well, this week continues to be a challenging week. Just the markets maybe in holiday mode. I don't know, but we're getting moves to the downside followed by some consolidation. And V bottoms, V tops have been kind of the name of the game the last seems like 10 days. We'd have a nice directional down move, and then we bottomed out and turned around and went up. So let's take a look and see how this thing did today. So we have, let's see, 830 right here. I am red and red, so I'd be looking for a short. My first trade would have been right here. So here's my PPT bar. You can see they never come down and go below the low of it. So then my next trade is going to be right here. So this will be my first trade of the day, which will be a loser. Then we head higher into a zone on the 5-minute. And then we do print another red zone here, so I'd be looking for a short. Entry be below this bar at 24. And there's your target, so there's a winner. Okay, let's move on. So in order to get a reset, I have to have a break above a red, and I need to get a green zone, so I cannot take a trade out of this one. I do have a break above my red, so now I'm just waiting for a green. And I don't have it. Oh, there we go. All right. So there's a green. Now I'm also inside of a 5-minute green zone. Actually, no, I'm not. Never mind. Okay, here's a red zone, so I could look for a short here. Price never makes it back to it. Okay, I do have another red zone here, so I could take a short here. Here's my entry. That's a stop out. Here's another entry. Let's see, 97.75. So there's another stop out. No, it's not. Never mind. 97.75 to 99 quarters, only 6 ticks. So still in the trade. There's your stop out. And then a re-entry at 99 quarter. And that's also stopped out. So there's 3 stops. So I have 4 losses and 1 win. Now I did have a zone inside the zone here, but I was already in a trade. So not a trade I could take, unfortunately, because looks like it's going to be a nice winner. Actually, no, it wasn't. Never mind. Okay. Okay, now I'm red and red again, so I'd be looking for a move back into this zone. And I don't get it until here. So I'd be looking for a short right below here at 88.75. That's 6 ticks. We get 9 points, and that's all it goes. Ah, man. All right, 9 points out of that one, and then stopped out up here. Actually, no, that's not a stop out yet. Right, now it's stopped out. Okay. We just had, let's see, just had the 1 trade out of there. Okay, so now we have 5 losses. All right, now I'm not quite green on the 15-minute yet. I am at this point. So my entry be up here at 94.75. Stopped out. Have a re-entry. Also stopped out, so there's 2 more losses. Okay, I have another green zone here. I'd be long right there for a loss. And 2 more losses there. Okay, now I'm red on my 5, and now I'm red on the 15. Okay, no entry here because it just blows through the zone. Okay, now I have a zone inside of the 15-minute zone here. So I'd be long at 94.50. And target hit. All right. Not an easy day, not an easy week. So I need to add 9 more losses. So we're at 20. And 2 wins. So now I'm at 3. Okay, so still down. Basically didn't really make any headway because of fees and slippage and commission there. All right, now let's take a quick look at the 12 range. Okay, here's 8:30. I'd have a trade right here. 18.25. All right, guys, here's what I'm talking about. Remember over the weekend I said I increased my risk? Well, if I'm using a 12 tick stop, I actually get stopped out on this move. If I use a 14 tick stop, I'm still in the trade. Anyway, so this is a stop out. That's 1 loss. Then I'd have another loss here. Another loss here. Yep. And then this one actually is a winner. See, 14.75 to 94.75. Okay. Yep, so there's your winner. So there's 3 losses and 1 win. I'd have another trade right here, which would get stopped out. So there's 4 and 1. And I have a trade here. And that's it. So 5 and 1. But if I use a 14 tick stop, I'd save myself 3 losses. So 12 and 1. All right, gang, that's it. Let's go and do another forex pair. I think I had like 9 or 10 on my list. I've made it through 4 of them. So let me switch over to the next video and we'll walk through, I think it's a Euro USD today. All right, gang, see you in the next video.